ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 53 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53. A solid is in the shape of a cylinder with a cone attached at one end and a hemisphere attached to the other end as shown in the figure. All of them are of the same radius, 7 centimeter. If the total length of the solid is 61 centimeter and height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. So calculate the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid at the rate of rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square. So here we have to calculate the cost of painting this composite solid. So here first we find the height of the cone and the radius of the hemisphere and cylinder. Okay. So here the total length of the solid is given. Here total length of the solid is 61 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is also given. Height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. So here the radius of the hemisphere is equal to its height. Okay. So hemisphere alli radius of the hemisphere ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is equal to height of the hemisphere ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So here the total length of this total length means the sum of the height of the cone, the height of the cylinder and the height of the hemisphere. This height of the hemisphere means this is equal to radius. So let we take the height of the cone. So here height of the cone. So we don't know the height of the cone. So here the total length of the solid here is equal to height of the cone plus height of the cylinder plus height of the hemisphere. This is radius of the hemisphere. This is equal to, take this as R. So here total length is 61 is equal to here height of the cone as it is, we don't know the height of the cone, plus height of the cylinder is 30 plus height of the radius, this is 7. So this is height of the cone is equal to 61 minus 37 is equal to 24 centimeter. This is the height of the cone. Okay. So here we know the height of the cone. So we already found height of the cone is 24 centimeter. Also we know the radius 7 centimeter. So by using Pythagorean theorem, so find the slant height of the cone. Okay. So now calculate the slant height of the cone by using Pythagorean theorem. So here L is equal to square root of height of the cone square plus radius of the cone. This is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. Square root of this is equal to here 24 into 24 is 576 plus 49 square root of. So L is equal to here 625. Adding this square root of 625. So L is equal to 25 centimeter. This is the slant height of the cone. So here now calculate the total outer surface area of the solid. Here the total outer surface area of the solid means sum of the curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay. So here the total surface area of solid. This is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. This is equal to here curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL plus curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. This is equal to here pi R, pi R, pi R. Here pi R is common in all the terms. Pi R. Here L plus 2 into H plus 2 into R. So bracket close. This is equal to here pi is 22 divided by 7 into R is 7 bracket open bracket. Here L is the slant height of the cone. This is 25 plus 2 into height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter plus 2 into radius of the hemisphere is 7. So is equal to here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 22 into here 25 plus 30 into 2 is 60 plus 14. So this is equal to here 22 into 25 plus 60. So here 60 plus 60 plus 14. This is 9. So okay, 99. Okay, 22 into 99. This is equal to 2178 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the solid. Okay, total surface area of the solid. So now calculate the cost of the painting. Okay, cost of painting. So here the rate of painting is the rate of painting rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square. So cost this is equal to total surface area. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ divided by 100 into 10 rupees. This is equal to here 2178 divided by 100 into 10. 0 cancels. This is equal to 217.80. This is the cost. Okay. So the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid is rupees 217.80 rupees. Look at the question number 56. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with a hemisphere stuck to each of its end. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. So here, now identify the components and the dimensions of the capsules. Okay. So here, the capsule is composed of cylinder and two hemisphere. Okay. So here, the total length is given. The total length of the capsule is given. So the total length of the capsule is 14 millimeter. So here the diameter of the capsule. The diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. So this means the radius of the cylinder and the radius of the hemisphere means 5 by 2. So here radius is equal to 5 by 2. This is equal to 2.5 millimeter. This is the radius of the hemisphere and cylinder. So here the length of two hemisphere is combined. So this is equal to the diameter. Okay. So here this is 5 millimeter. So the height of the cylindrical part is the total length of minus the length of the two hemisphere. Alva? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ total length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 14 millimeter ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ 14 ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2.5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2.5. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ -5. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9 millimeter. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ, 9 millimeter ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ cylinder height of the cylinder is equal to 14 minus 5. This is equal to 9 millimeter. Okay. This is the height of the cylinder. So next we calculate the total surface area. Okay. The total surface area of the capsule is the sum of the curved surface area of the cylinder and the surface area of the two hemisphere. Okay, so here total surface area, this is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus surface area of sphere. Okay, ಎರಡು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ sphere. So this is equal to, here curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. This is equal to, here 2 into pi into r is 2.5 into h is the height of the cylinder, this is 9 plus 4 into pi into r is radius of the hemisphere square is equal to, here 2.5 into 9 into 2, this is 45 pi plus 4 pi into 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. This is equal to 45 pi plus 6.25 into 4 is equal to 25 pi equal to 45 plus 25 is 70 pi millimeter square. So here we use the approximation. So here pi is 22 divided by 7. So I will write here 70 into 22 divided by 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7 tens is equal to 220 millimeter square. This is the surface area of the capsule. Okay, 220 millimeter square. Look at the question number 57. A solid is in the shape of a cone placed on the cylinder as shown in the figure. The radii of both the cylinder and the cone are equal to 5 centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is 11 centimeter and the total height of the solid is 23 centimeter. So see the diagram. Find the curved surface area and volume of the solid. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಿಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಟಾಪ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲಿಡಿನ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ we find this volume of the solid and is equal to volume of cone and volume of cylinder. Okay, so here in cone they given radius, okay, but we don't know the slant height. Okay, so by using Pythagorean theorem we find the slant height. Also we don't know the height of the cone, so find the height of the cone. So here height of the cone ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Total height minus cylinder height ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Height of the cone ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So first find the height of the cone. So here height of the cone is equal to total height minus height of the cylinder is equal to, here total height is 23 minus 11. Height of the cylinder is 11. This is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the height of the cone. So here, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ height of the cone ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 12. So radius ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? By using Pythagorean theorem, so find the slant height of the cone. Here slant height is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Here cone. So ಯಾವಾಗ height ಮತ್ತೆ slant height ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ height, ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎಚ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 5 square. This is the radius and cone height is 12. So this is equal to, here 25 plus 144 square root of, here this is equal to 169. Square root of 169 is equal to 13 centimeter. This is the slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. So now calculate the curved surface area of the solid. Here this surface area is equal to the sum of the curved surface area of cylinder and the curved surface area of the cone. So here curved surface area of solid. This is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone is equal to, here curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h cylinder plus curved surface area of cone is pi r l. This is equal to, here pi r is common, pi r in bracket, so here 2h plus l. So here this is equal to 22 divided by 7 into r is the radius 5 centimeter into 2 into height of the cylinder is 11 plus slant height is 13 equal to 22 divided by 7 into 5. So 11 2s are 22 plus 13. So is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 5. So here 22 plus 13 is 5, 3, 35. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So this is equal to 22 into 25. This is equal to 550 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of solid, 550 centimeter square. So now calculate the volume of the solid. Here the volume of the solid is the sum of the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the cone. So volume of solid, this is equal to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder is equal to, here volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cone here, plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h cylinder. This is equal to, here pi r square is common. So h common ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕೋನಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 divided by 3 h cone plus height of the cylinder. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 into, so r is the radius, into 1 by 3 into height of the cone is 12 centimeter plus height of the cylinder is 11. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 5 into 5. So here 4 plus 11. So here 22 divided by 7 into 25 into 15. So this is equal to, here 25 into 22 is 550 divided by 7 into 15. This is equal to 550 into 15 is 8250 divided by 7. This is equal to 1178.57 centimeter cube. Okay. So here the curved surface area of the solid is 550 centimeter square and the volume of the solid is 1178.57 centimeter cube. Okay. Look at the question number 58. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter, then find the volume of the water left in the cylinder in terms of pi. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರಿನ ಆಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀರನ್ನ ತುಂಬಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಈ ಶೇಪಿನ ಕೋನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಶೇಪಿನ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನೀರುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಿರುವ ನೀರಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೋನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ cylinder. Okay, so here volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Take this as capital H. This is pi into r square. Here r is the radius of the cylinder. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ radius of the cylinder, radius of the cone ಮತ್ತು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 60 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು height of the cylinder is 180. 180. So this is equal to pi into 60 into 60 is 3600 into 180. 3600 is equal to, here 3600 into 180 is 6,48,000 pi. Okay, centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. So now calculate the volume of this solid. So this is the sum of the cone and hemisphere. Okay, the solid is consist of cone and hemisphere. So here total volume of this solid means the sum of the volume of the hemisphere and cone. Okay, so volume of the solid. Volume of the solid, this is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. This is equal to, here volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube equal to, here 1/3 pi r square is common. Okay, so in both the side, so here remains h plus 2 into r. So this is equal to, here 1/3 into pi into r is the radius into height of the cone is 120. Okay, so the height of the cone is 120 centimeter plus 2 into radius is equal to, here 1/3 into pi into 60 into 60 is 3600 into 120 plus 120. So this is equal to, here 1/3 into pi into 3600 into 120 plus 120 is 240. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 80s are 240. So this is equal to 3600 into 80 into pi. This is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is 8, 28. Okay, 288 centimeter cube. Okay, So 2,88,000 pi, okay, pi centimeter cube. I will write here this volume of solid. This is equal to 288,000 pi centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the solid. So now find the volume of the water left in the cylinder. So this is the volume of water left in the cylinder, means the volume of cylinder minus the volume of the solid. So volume of water left. Volume of water left in the cylinder. Cylinder is equal to, this is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. Here volume of cylinder is 6,48,000 minus 2,88,000 pi, alva? So pi in both the side. This is equal to here 3,60,000 pi centimeter cube. Okay. This is the volume of water. So the volume of the water left in the cylinder is 3,60,000 centimeter pi centimeter cube. So in terms of pi alli express ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so the answer is in terms of pi. Okay. Look at the question number 59. A solid is made of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression having the same radius r centimeter as that of cylinder at the top end as shown in the figure. The volume of the hemispherical depression is 18,000 pi centimeter cube. If the height of the cylinder is 145 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the solid. Here, total surface area of the solid means curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder plus the base of this circular part. So ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವರೇನು ಆರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 18 1000 ಪೈ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ the formula for the volume of hemisphere is hemisphere. Here this volume of hemisphere is given 18,000 pi. So here volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is equal to 18,000 pi. So pi in both the sides, so cancels. This is equal to r cube is equal to here 18,000 into 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this is 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 0 0. So this is equal to 27,000. This is r cube. So r is equal to cube root of 27,000. This is equal to 30 centimeter. So this is the radius of the hemisphere. Okay. So now calculate the total surface area of solid. So total surface area of the solid is the sum of the curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of the hemisphere and the base. So base area, the base of the cylinder. Okay, so this is equal to here total surface area of solid. Solid. This is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of base. So here area of base, we take this area of base, cylinder base. So ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ hemisphere. So here this is equal to curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus area of the base is pi r square plus this is 2 pi r square. So curved surface area of hemisphere. So here pi r, pi r, pi r in all the cases, common in all the terms. So here pi r, so in bracket 2h plus height of the cylinder plus r plus 2r. 2r. So equal to here pi into r is radius. So radius of the solid is 30 into 2 into height is 145. Height of the cylinder is 145 plus radius is 30 plus 2 into 30 is equal to here pi into 30 centimeter into here 2 into 145 is 0 290. Okay, so 290 plus 30 plus 2 into 30 is 60. So this is equal to pi into 30 into here 290 plus 30 plus 60. So 60 plus 30 is 90. So here 380 centimeter. So this is equal to here pi into 30 into 380. So this is equal to 1,14,000. So 11,400. Okay, 11,400 pi centimeter square. Okay. So here, this is the total surface area of the solid. This total surface area of the solid is 11,400 pi centimeter square. Okay. Look at the question number 60. A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. The height of the cone is 2 centimeter and the diameter of the base is 4 centimeter. Determine the volume of the toy if right circular cylinder circumscribes the toy as shown in the figure. Find the difference of the volume of the cylinder and toy. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ toy ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, which is the sum of the cone and hemisphere. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ cylinder volume. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಈ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟಾಯ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಯ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಯ್ ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ hemisphere. Okay. So calculate the volume of the toy. Volume of the toy. So volume of the toy is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere. So here the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Here height of the cone is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Here height of the cone is given 2 centimeter and the diameter is given, d is 4 centimeter. Then radius of the cone is 4/2. This is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So here the radius of the base or this hemisphere is the half of the diameter. So this is r equal to d/2. This is 4/2. This is equal to 2 centimeter. So 1/3 pi r square common. Pi r square common. So remains h plus 2 into r is equal to 1/3 into pi into r is the radius into h. H is the height. Height of the cone is 2 centimeter plus 2 into r is the radius of this hemisphere is 2. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 2 2s are 4 into here 2 plus 4, 2 2s are 4. So this is equal to here 4 by 3 pi into 6. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 is equal to 8 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the toy. So now calculate the volume of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So is equal to pi into r is the radius 2 square. So height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is here height of the cylinder means height of the radius plus height of the cone. So here height of the cone is 2 centimeter and height of the hemisphere is 2 centimeter. So height of the hemisphere and radius is equal. So 2 plus 2. This is the total height of the cylinder ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4. So 4 is the height of the cylinder. Okay. This is equal to pi into 2 2s are 4 into 4 is equal to 16 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. So here now find the difference of the volumes. So here difference of the volume. Difference between the volumes is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮಿನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 16 pi minus 8 pi is equal to 8 pi centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume difference of between the volume. So the answer is the volume of the toy is 8 pi centimeter cube. The difference of the volume of the toy is 8 centimeter cube. Okay. Look at the question number 61. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 meter and the diameter is 1.4 meter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter as that of the cylinder is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. So, the problem describes. So, this is the the total surface area of the remaining solid. So this will be the sum of the curved surface area of the cylinder, the area of the cylindrical base and the curved surface area of the cone. So this is the remaining portion. Okay. So first we will write the given data. So here height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is 2.4 meter and diameter of the cylinder is given of the cylinder is 1.4 meter. So radius is equal to, this radius is equal to d by 2. This means 1.4 divided by 2. This is equal to 0.7 meter. So here height of the cone is, height of the cone is equal to 2.4. Okay. So the height of the cone 2.4 meter. So here they given solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 and a conical cavity of the same height. Therefore, the height of the cone is also 2.4 meter. Okay. So the radius is same. Radius of the cone is 0.7 meter. So here the curved surface area of cone. The formula of curved surface area of cone is pi r L. So here L is slant height. We don't know the length of this slant height. So by using the Pythagorean theorem, so we find the slant height. Okay. So now calculate the slant height. So here slant height of the cone L, this is equal to square root of r square plus h square. This is equal to square root of 0.7 square radius plus height of the cone is 2.4 is equal to 0.7 into 0.7 is 0.49 plus 2.4 into 2.4 is 5.76. So is equal to, here add this, you'll get 6.25 square root of. So L is equal to 2.5 meter. This is the slant height of the cone. So now calculate the total surface area of the remaining solid. Here the total surface area of the solid is the sum of the curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of the cylinder and the area of the circular base plus the curved surface area of the cone is equal to, here curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh plus base is pi r square plus this curved surface area of cone is pi r L is equal to, here pi r is common, 2h plus r plus L is equal to, here 22 divided by 7 into r is 0.7 into 2 into height of the cylinder is 2.4 plus radius is 0.7 plus slant height is 2.5 is equal to 7 ones. So here 0.1. So 22 into 0.1 is 2.2 into here 2.4 into 2 is 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. Add this 2.2 into here, add 4.8, 0.7, 2.5. This is equal to 8.0. So here 2.2 into 8.0 is 17.6 meters square. This is the total surface area. So the total surface area of the remaining solid is 17.6 meters square. Okay. Okay, I will end the class, continue in the next class. Thank you all.